Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Sips By, which is my monthly tea subscription. It did come with the seal not sealed, but I think it'll be okay. Tea Friends Forever. For a friend, it'd say $15 on your next box. And inside is my card. So each box is tailored to you. So these are the teas that they picked for me. So your box will probably look different. Let's go for these first. Miracle Tree Super Caffeinated Moringa Infusion Green Tea, Lemon, and Ginger. And these are individual tea bags. So every time you get those, there's 4 of them. And I always get like a mix of tea bags and loose leaf tea. And for the loose leaf tea, you get these little fillable baggies, which I love. I smell cinnamon or clove really heavily. Oh, it must be this right on top. Cinnamon and hibiscus. Herbal tea, and this is caffeine free. It smells good. Yeah, very, very, very fragrant. I don't think I've had that brand before. Tea Kitten, I have had that one before. This is also, no, it does have caffeine. Yerba Mate, Oolong, white cocoa butter. That also has cinnamon in it. And then the last one is by Ahmad Tea, chamomile, honey, and vanilla. Chamomile tea is some of my favorite tea, so I love that. I think I'm going to make one of these now and enjoy it while I do some editing. That's the tea that I got for my July box. Again, I'll zoom in on this. You can see I always get like a good mix of caffeine levels and a good variety. So yeah, if you guys would like to try, I'll put a link below on promo code. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.